I was in my virtual classroom with my virtual students, and they were logging off to go eat lunch. So I was just sitting here, and I heard some commotion in the hallway, and I went out to see some students out there, some fifth graders, and they were looking for somewhere to pray. It is Ramadan. They they are Muslim. They practice the Islam faith. And they needed a place to pray. And they asked if they could come and pray in my room. And I've never experienced these students praying before. I've never seen it. I know they do, and it's usually in another place in the school, but that teacher wasn't here today, the counselor. And so they asked if they could come in here. They knew I didn't have students. And they said I could stay. And so I sat at my table, and I watched these 4 precious babies without any adult there forcing them to do it, which happens a lot in religion. With no one here guiding them or leading them or telling them what to do. There was a beautiful symphony of these 4 knowing exactly what to do. Things with their hands, things with their body, standing, sitting, almost bowing and kneeling, and in perfect synchronicity and very seriously. And it was so incredible to watch. I sat at my desk and I just started weeping. They got done, and I was sitting there wiping my tears, and they looked at me and they said, "What?" And I just said, "I'm proud of you. I'm so proud of you." And they came over and we hugged and we had a moment, but man, to have that faith as a fifth grader, where you take it on yourself to pray when you're supposed to and do what you were supposed to do, it was beautiful to watch, and I'm so proud of my babies.